Welcome to the ABC world. Let's start ABC learning. A is for apple, 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 apple. A is for apple, 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 apple. A double P L E apple. A for apple. B is for ball, 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 ball. B is for ball, 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 ball. BALL, ball. C is for cat, 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 cat. C is for cat, 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 cat. CAT, cat. C is for cat. D is for dog, 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 dog. D is for dog, 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 dog. DOG, dog. D is for dog. E is for elephant, 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 elephant. E is for elephant, 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 elephant. ELEPHANT, elephant. F is for frog, 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 frog. F is for frog, 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 frog. FROG, frog. F is for frog. G is for grapes, 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 grapes. G is for grapes, 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 grapes. GRAPES, grapes. H is for hat, 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 hat. H is for hat, HAT, hat. H is for hat. Now I know my ABC. 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 I see you in the next lecture. So don't forget to click the subscribe button.